Hello, hello, myself, Dr. Ilahi Mujawar. We talking about the herbarium. This is a very important part in the taxonomy. Herbarium, definition, technique, role, and significance. Herbarium, the herbarium is a collection of pressed plants catalogued and arranged systematically for study. When specimens are collected in the field, the herbarium and associated information in the library is used to identify these specimens to determine how one species differs from the another or whether a specimen represents a species new to the science. The question is arise, what is the definition? It is a place where plant material is preserved or deposited using various techniques and arranged as per the sequence of their families according to the accepted system of classification. The second point is very important during the field study, that is the technique of herbarium. Technique of herbarium is grouped into four groups: collection, pressing, mounting and labeling, and fourth one is deposition. What is meant by collection? Fully grown plants which are collected with the vegetative and floral or reproductive parts in one and the same twig of suitable size. That means it is about 30 to 40 centimeter. Herb plants, that means small plants, are collected entirely with root system or underground parts like tubers, etc. These materials tagged with field numbers, and most of the characters were recorded in the field notebook, then brought into plastic bags or vasculum comes into the laboratory for identification by using number of taxonomic tools such as manuals and floras. Second point is pressing. Pressing is nothing but collected specimens pressed into old newspapers and pressed into field pressure. Continuous changing of papers every day till they dry. Dried specimens poisoned with solution of mercury chloride in ethyl alcohol to avoid blackening and decaying. After that, another one is mounting and labeling. These specimens now glued with Fevicol. Today, all they are used on handmade herbarium sheet on standard size, that is 42 into 28 centimeter. At right hand side, it is labeled, and this label is about 11.5 into 7 centimeter with all the identificational informational data including botanical name, family, collection, place, then collected by, identified by, and field note, that is ecological data. And all these data are labeled in that corner. And another one is last, deposition. Deposition means these are all the sheets which are prepared and kept in thin folders made for the species called as a species cover, and thick paper cover folder is called as a genus folder. They are kept in herbarium cupboards as per sequence to accepted system of classification. The last point is role and significance of the herbarium. How this herbarium has been helpful for common ones. Number one, it helps in identification of paints during monographic and flora study. Collected materials gives composition of particular region or area or any state or country flora, and by which we have to know that particular region plant wealth. It is useful to economic botanist, ethnobotanist, morphologists, genetic workers, students, teachers, and even also local peoples to know about our plant wealth of our region. Fourth one, it was excellent source for the types of different types of the investigators. Fifth one is we know the flora of any region or area. Say for example, flora of Kolhapur district, flora of Sangli district. Say even also at taluka level, flora of Warwa taluka. Next, it fulfills the public need by scientific, informatic, all informations and about their plants. It helps in training, exhibition courses. It provides job facilities to young ones. It helps in fundamental research of plant. Materials can exchanged for scientific study, then to study the rare and endemic endangered plants with their natural habitat. 12th one, it helps in preserving national plant wealth. It helps to pharmaceutical and drug industries. It provides variety of data source, basic tools in research, classification, and evaluation. And the last one, it is a consultation center for public education. Thank you.